Hello. Hi, are you alright? I want to just show you what I'm usually eating. And what I'm eating, it's just eggs, sausage, some veg, just everything just mixing it in the pan. You know that. And it's very good for body, innit? It always works. Always works. I think every bodybuilder needs to eat in it. A lot of them. I'm usually eating about 5, 6 eggs, of course. Some people more, some people less. But I think you have to keep that way every morning. You want to just do it just some massive success. Right? Look at this. It's very tasty as well. Don't worry about that. Right. Hope so you liked my video. You'll be watching it. Take care. And I wish you many success. Alright.